The greater kudu is a master of evasion. Its spiraled horns are a symbol of the African bush. Spiral horns growth. Each ridge marks 1 year. Deep in the heart of the golden savanna, nature carves its most profound and majestic sculptures. Each weathered ridge tells a story of survival. We operate a sustainable program. Our reserve is fully CITES compliant. Each set of horns is meticulously measured. This data is vital for monitoring populations. Precise documentation helps combat illegal trade, as legally certified. Every single dynamic horn is meticulously tracked, ensuring full traceability and dynamic standards. Preservation meets direct responsibility. Every step is tracked, ensuring perfect integrity. The journey begins here, across the vast plains. Our journey begins in the vast, wild savanna, a land of stark and stunning contrasts. Welcome to Windhoek, the beating heart of Namibia. Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Elite Factory. Welcome to our state-of-the-art receiving bay. Every kudu horn is carefully verified. Quality control begins with the raw materials. All natural materials must be carefully verified. Every horn is tagged to track its origin. This ensures strict compliance with conservation laws. Every ridge tells a story of growth and survival. Precision ensures that only the finest pass this station. Each horn is carefully submerged in a gentle cleaning solution. Precise timing ensures the preservation of its natural beauty. The deepest layers hold the most profound secrets. Precision reveals the true depth within. Every detail tells its own story. Every horn is unique, demanding a master's direct touch. A single false move can destroy decades of natural growth. Precision requires patience and a steady hand. Every cut follows a line marked by nature. Only then is the horn's true form revealed. The deep, dark exterior gives way to a pure and flawless core, revealing the hidden beauty that nature takes years to perfect. Every cut must be precise. The dense horn yields to the steady blade. Creamy white and dark brown blanks fill the tray. Every piece tells its own story. Dark, light, or beautifully marbled. Only the finest move forward. Precision requires absolute focus. Every cut must be perfectly centered. Flawless execution. Every horn blank is meticulously drilled. Only the flawless make it through these doors. Here, the shaping process truly begins. To achieve the perfect finish, every element must work in harmony, under precise, controlled rotation. Sharp edges soften in the continuous flow. Rough spheres emerge from the constant grind. A hypnotic cycle, turning time into smooth, perfect forms. The tumbling cycle is now complete. Millions of rough, matte beads are carefully scooped out. A freshwater rinse washing their beautiful dark and light marbled patterns. Every single batch requires a master's touch. Fine ceramic spheres smooth away every remaining imperfection. Precisely logged, the refinement process is now complete. Every single bead must be inspected by hand. Only flawless symmetry earns a place in the pass tray. Precision is the signature of true craft. Every line, every curve, requires patience and a steady hand. In silence, the true craftsperson finds perfection. To reveal its true nature, you must slowly work through the darkness. Only patience reveals what is truly beautiful. True craftsmanship requires patience and a precise touch. Every movement is deliberate, bringing out the inner luster. Only then does the true mirror-like brilliance finally emerge. Precision turns raw horn into art, revealing a mirror-like shine. The flawless finish is complete. Admire the brilliant luster, a masterpiece in the making. In the hands of a master, raw material becomes art. A single drop of jojoba oil breathes life into the kudu horn that reflects a timeless, peaceful craft. Each bead is carefully selected, showcasing its unique marbling. A master craftsman places the final pieces on the tray, revealing a flawless pattern of natural elegance and beauty. Every artist has a story, a vision carved from natural elements. Here, rustic kudu horn meets the cool luster of silver, creating a timeless dance of color and texture. Precision guides every stroke of the process. Here, ancient inspiration meets modern design. With a single touch, the concept is sent to production. Stringing beads requires patience. Kudu horn and silver, followed by vibrant turquoise. Every piece tells a unique story. Every bead tells a story of the wild, crafted by hand and bound by time. For the true collector, precision is the direct hallmark of true clean-cut craftsmanship. Every single connection is securely checked by hand, ensuring a flawless finish. Every spiral tells a story of the wild, brought to life by the hands of a true master. She stands as the wall between mediocre and true mastery. No detail, no matter how small, escapes her. This is the unyielding commitment to perfection. Every piece must meet perfection. There is no room for error. Nothing escapes a master's trained eye. Flawless in every detail. Every unique piece must meet our meticulous standards. Only the finest materials receive our certified seal. This is our absolute legacy of trust. Every detail is handled with absolute precision. Flawless kudu horn is set into sustainable mahogany. This defines refined luxury. Only a few are destined to possess a piece of such rare and timeless beauty. Crafted by hand, perfected by nature, it is a legacy waiting to be worn. Crafted from the wild, it holds the spirit of the ridge, a legacy carved in light and shadow. In every bead, a story of the wild, a reflection of timeless grace. Every piece tells a story, deeply rooted in the ancient, untamed spirit of the wild, a delicate balance of raw nature and refined elegance, glowing detail. True elegance is a reflection of the soul. It is found in details crafted from stories of the earth, and in the quiet satisfaction of a woman who knows her worth. True luxury isn't about being noticed. It is about a harmony with the world around us. Here, every element tells a story of quiet elegance. This horn carries the ancient rhythm of the wild. To see the greater kudu is to witness grace, a symbol of the untamed spirit of Africa. The greater kudu carries a masterpiece of nature. These spectacular spirals trace the story of his life, a peaceful icon of the savannah. With slow, deliberate grace, he leaves the herd behind, seeking the cool, dappled shade of the ancient trees, the true spirit of the serene savannah. Form, function, and precision define us. This is the core of Elite Factory, where every detail matters. Future of manufacturing. Deep in the dynamic workshop, every skilled movement demands pure focus. From rough cuts to flawless, perfect beads, a master's hands create timeless art. In the end, it is about the bead, a small, perfect object that carries within it the story of an animal, a landscape, and an artisan. Every piece is one of a kind. No two beads are identical. And that is precisely what makes kudu horn jewelry so coveted. From savannah to atelier, from horn to bead, from bead to jewelry, the journey is long, but the result is eternal. On the wearer, the jewelry finds its purpose, not just to adorn, but to connect, to tell a story, to carry a legacy. And so the circle closes, from the wild savannah to the human hand, from nature to art, from Africa to the world. This is the promise of Elite Factory manufacturing, to take nature's beauty and transform it with respect into lasting art. Kudu horn, African soul, artisan hands, Elite Factory manufacturing.